I used to mock people who said that their cards became corrupted and they lost all the stuff. And the other day, my card was corrupted and I lost all my stuff. Yeah, yeah! What I'm doing now is filming me filming me. If you remember the beginning of Doctor Who, there was this effect they had where they would film a television showing the image that the camera was filming. So you had this visual feedback. And it was cool. So I don't know if me filming me creates some kind of time loop. I don't think it will. Which is one of the many things that I find disappointing about life. But maybe that's why I'm rebuilding a Land Rover instead of having a life. I think I've dug myself a hole with my wife there. Sorry dear, I didn't mean you. You're great.
Oh my God!
Here's Rosie.
Hello, sweetie.
Little bit, tiny bit, got me shoveling shit down every day.
Okay, even from the exit.
Story goes, I know that I'm knowing that I'm never gonna walk away.
God alone knows what happens with this.
It's a rock, 'cause I got my tickets to the rock and roll cabaret.
Really? It's difficult to see her though.
Yes.
I'm happy that you're doing something, but...
But ooh. She's quite patched.
Well, that's why when something's still structural, when there's something overpatched. I can weld. I've probably learned you cut it out. You don't patch it on something, you put it in something.
Anything you would like to say to the people?
No.
I'm just a monkey with a spanner, but if I can do this, you can do that.